So, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hasta Education. So, in this video, I am going to discuss about the difference between outermost shell and valence shell. Okay, so let's get started. So, before getting into the topic, let's first of all see what is a valency. Okay, so what is valency? Okay, so what is valency? The valency is the combining capacity of an atom is known as valency. Okay, it is the combining capacity of an atom. Okay. Okay, valency is the combining capacity of an atom. Okay, or we can say that it is the bond formation capacity. Okay, it is the bond formation capacity of an atom. Okay, so valency is the either combining capacity, or you can say that it is the bond formation capacity of an atom. All right, so next question arises that who decides the valency of an atom? Okay, so next question is who decides the valency of an atom? Okay, the answer is valence shell electrons. Okay, valence shell electrons of an atom decide its valency. Okay, so valency is decided by the valence shell electrons. Okay, so the next question arises that whether valence shell or outermost shell are same or different. Okay, so our answer is the valence shell and the outermost shell are different. Okay, so let's see what is the difference between a valence shell and outermost shell. Okay, so let's see the difference between valence shell and outermost shell. Okay, so what is the difference between valence shell and outermost shell? So outermost shell means outermost shell means it is the shell which has the shell which has maximum value of principal quantum number. Okay, so outermost shell means the shell which has maximum value of principal quantum number. Okay, but the valence shell means that shell, okay, whose electrons take part in, okay, bond formation. All right. So valence shell is the shell whose electrons take part in the bond formation, okay, and the outermost shell is the shell which has maximum value of principal quantum number, okay. So वैलेंस शेल वो शेल है जिसका इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, ओके, और आउटर मोस्ट शेल वो शेल है जिसमें मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ क्वांटम नंबर है, ओके. So let's see an example. For S and P block, okay, for S and P block elements, valence shell and outermost shell are same, okay. For S and P block elements, the valence shell and outermost shell are same, okay. So let's see an example. So let's say I have a atom phosphorus which atomic number is 15, okay. So let's see the electronic configuration. The electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p3 only. This is the electronic configuration of phosphorus whose atomic number is 15, okay. So what is the outermost shell? So outermost shell is the shell with maximum value of principal quantum number, okay. So this is the maximum value of principal quantum number 3. So this is your outermost shell, okay, and this is also the valence shell, okay, as the electrons of this shell take part in bond formation, okay. So for S and P block elements, the valence shell and the outermost shell are same, okay. But for D block element, they may be same or different, okay. May be same or different, okay. So let's see an example. For example, let's say I am an atom which is manganese, okay, and the what is the manganese has a atomic number of I think 27, alright, and the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3d5 and 4s2, alright. This is the sorry, the manganese is atomic number of 19, I think, okay? Yeah, so this is the electronic configuration of manganese, and you might have know the element KMnO4. Okay, KMn. So in this compound the oxidation state of manganese is +7. Okay, so this is the maximum oxidation state of manganese, and in